shouldn't go through one more time with that rake with the grass seed on there. What do you think? Welcome back to Rolling Country Outdoors. Scott here. Thanks for coming back and watching our videos. Hopefully you're getting something out of it. Hopefully you learned something. But so I'm out here in this area that we've been working to get level. I've got it all leveled and looking really good. I did end up working it again with the excavator for a couple hours and then came back and raked it. And then I've got some grass seed down. So we got the seed down. We're supposed to be getting some rain on Sunday, so looking forward to that. But man, is it looking good. Let me turn the camera on here. So it turned out really good. It'll blend right in. In fact, it's probably more level than what we've done over here on this side. So we got this done. Next, I'm gonna get up here and work on that trail, get it leveled out, get the logs out. I've still got a whole bunch of clearing to do up on top of the hill there, but this is looking really good. It's coming along. So hopefully we can get some grass seed in here. Grass coming up soon. We'll keep you posted.